Hello peoples, welcome back to my channel. Finally getting caught up here. This is the January layout for the calendar Kit Crush. It's late here, it's like 11:40 in Texas. So I'm gonna try to get this layout complete. I have a straight hair, guys, excuse me. Get this layout complete and go to bed. So what we have here is the page. Hopefully I have all of this stuff that I want to use. So here's the actual calendar page and Winter Wonderland. And then I'm gonna be using this blue paper to back it. I'm not gonna cut out the middle tonight because like I said, it's late and I'm just trying to get this done. So luckily this is photos. Give me a second here. That I'm crafting, that I'm scrapping from last year. So last year in January, we were lucky enough to actually have snow. And so these are some photos that I snapped of my son as we were playing out in the snow. As you can see, it's not very much, but he was still in his pajamas. And so he doesn't have snow boots because we're in Texas. So we put on, left his pajamas on, put socks on, and put his tennis shoes on, and we went outside. So this are the photos. This is the layout. And this is from the Simple Stories. Just a second, let me grab the packaging. My chair is very squeaky. Simple Stories, what is it? Winter Cottage Collection. So all of these pieces came from there. So again, tweezers. Found these little bits. And I thought that they were so cute. I don't know, I want those two because I think the mittens match this and his little hat has the little ball on top. I don't know, I want the little snowflakes to go up here. And I think I had another one of these little pink hearts. And I wanted to use this to put up here. Or maybe down here. Excuse me, guys. Like I said, it's late. So let's go ahead and get started here. First, I'm gonna, I grabbed this, what is this? It's called Zebra Midliner. It's a highlighter, but it's, what color is it? I'm so sorry. It's called dark blue, but it's a highlighter. So it gives off this color here. So I was thinking about using it to color in this, but we will see if I actually do that because I don't know if I'm gonna fit it on the page. So let's get started here. I'm gonna get all my bits and pieces put on top of the photo so that they're not lost on my desk. There we go. And let's get this glued down. Hopefully this is that's upside down. Reinforce. Use my head here. Moment. Kind of want to make sure that this is pretty even. Before I stick it down completely, and that looks good. Huh, first try. All right, put those over there to the side. Get my photos stuck down. I printed my photos with the Canon Selfie. I didn't put a border around them. I just printed them as a 4x6 because they had this thick border around on the page. So I'm just going to let that serve as the border of the photo. Don't need to back it. Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited again to see what, oh, that's cricket. Oh, well. Maybe I'll find something to put right there. Oh, maybe this can go here to offset that, the crookedness of it. Oh, great, Teresa. That's what you get for waiting too late to get a layout done. But we shall see. I know I want that. Where are my tweezers? Let's see. Move that because I do not want to scratch up my photo. I know I want you, little guy, there. And go ahead and do the snowflakes. So since my birthday is in January, and I always, well, I grew up, not currently we live in an area where there does, snow is very rare during winter time. And when we do get snow, it's usually in the form of ice. So, but growing up, I lived in a part of Texas that had snow every winter, and I miss the snow. Don't want to move back to my hometown, but I do miss the snow. Okay, let's see here. How can we offset this? Maybe if I turn it there, that looks like, okay, that looks great. Now how can I, oh, popped up. Look at God. Don't you just love when things like that happen? You saw me just, well, maybe you didn't see me, but I just took a piece of foam tape from my mat here because I cut a piece earlier that was too long, and I just cut the extra off, and I'll just stick it to this mat here. And when it's time to use it, I just lift it up. I know, I don't know if that's, I don't know if you've ever heard me say it, but I am a, I don't want to say lazy, but I don't want to say lazy. I'm not a lazy crafter, but I am a easy as pie crafter, I guess we should say. We should say. Because I don't like complicated. I like easy. Hence the calendar kit crush. Taking it apart and making layouts. Oh, there's a piece of foam tape sticking out there. Cut that off. Okay. And now let's see if we can't get these to just kind of, there we go. That came together well. Now, where's this? Where can I put this? It's a winter wonderland. Maybe here? Because I have a cluster. Here. Right there with a bear. There. Look at it working. Okay, so I've already tested this, and this is the color. Like I said, it gives off that color there. So fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. Let's see if it works. Lord, I do not color. I'm going to try to only do one pass since this is a highlighter, not an actual marker. Oh, out of the line. See? This is why. This is why. Oh, maybe I should use the fine tip. Oh, there. Look at that. You learn something new. Well, I didn't know it wasn't new. I just forgot it was there. I don't even remember what the brand of this. I got these from my niece, so I don't even remember what the brand is. It's Zebra or something, but she gave them to me, and I thought this color worked very well with the page, so I pulled it. I have to go back over this B here. But it looks fine. In my eyes, rather. Sorry I'm making you guys sit here and watch me color in this. I don't want to do voiceover because these pages come together so fast that it's easier for me to just... I think that's so cute right there. Yes, that's perfect. It's easy for me to just explain as I go versus trying to do a voiceover of this. Now, as we go down the line, if there's a page that's more complicated or I feel like I could do more with it, then I may do voiceovers, but for now, it's a live interaction. You get to see all the mistakes and all the boo-boos. Okay, I'm gonna need this. I wanna lift him up a little bit. There we go. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's so cute. I need something else. Peach. I don't have another pink heart, I don't think. Yeah, it was only one of them, but I need something else. This peachy pink color. No. What about these? Oh, those are close. That's close enough. Let's use the dots and not the... Nope. Come on. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, I want to use a star. Oh, maybe I do. Hey, journaling, and then this layout is done. Where's my, here it is. And my journaling, I'm sorry, I'm turning this layout sideways, but I want my journaling to go here. Where's my paper? As you saw in the last video, I gotta get my hand together to be moving to actually write. Maybe it's the marker. Because it's like I write and the marker doesn't write what I'm writing. So maybe it's the marker. There we go. All right, and ta-da, all done. I think it came out great. This was 2021. All done. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you're enjoying this series from the Calendar Kit Crush. Make sure you go over to MoLee Lovely's page. I'll have her link in the description box below. And I hope to see you guys soon. Until next time. Bye-bye.